SBA Publications.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Sonisati. I am also good at my place. So students, today in this video we are going to start our chapter number 11 and the name of our chapter is time, the valuable time. आप सभी को पता है ना टाइम क्या होता है? समय. पंचुअलिटी मीन्स हर चीज को एक जगह एक टाइम से करना. ठीक है. सो आज हम इसी टाइम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. हाउ वी मेजर इट, हाउ वी सी इट. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी. As we can see here, here are some pictures like of morning or day. So the sun rises in the morning, it begins a new day. When the sun rises in the morning, that means it is the beginning of a new day. Okay? जब सूरज उगता है तो हमें पता चलता है नए दिन की शुरुआत हुई है. Now the sun is very hot at noon. जब कड़क दिन होता है तो हमारा जो सूरज होता है, सन होता है, वो बहुत हॉट होता है, बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होता है, गुस्से में होता है. Now the time between noon and evening is afternoon. शाम होने से पहले और दिन होने के बाद हमारा जो टाइम होता है उसे हम आफ्टरनून कहते हैं. See here there are two more. Like the sun sets in the evening. So जो सन है वो सेट हो जाता है, सनसेट हो जाता है कब? इवनिंग में. इवनिंग में दैट इज शाम, शाम को. इट इज डार्क एट नाइट एंड द मून एंड द स्टार्स शाइन. तो जब रात हो जाती है तो एकदम डार्क हो जाता है, देन मून आता है, देन मून कम्स, स्टार कम्स. ओके, सो by here we conclude that we see we have morning, noon, afternoon, evening and night. और हम इसी तरीके से लोगों को ग्रीट भी करते हैं. ठीक है. सो हमें पता चला कि इतने सारे टाइम होते हैं. नाउ मैच द पिक्चर टू द करेक्ट टाइम. दिस इज अ स्कूल टाइम, लाइक वी गो टू स्कूल. व्हेन? इन नाइट और इन द इवनिंग? No, we go to school in day. Okay, we go to school in day. Now we study. We study in night. We sleep in night. We see stars in the sky in night. Okay, now we have reading time by the clock. We all know what clock is? घड़ी. घड़ी. तो जब भी हम घर पे आते हैं, स्कूल से आते हैं, कहीं जाते हैं तो हम अपनी घड़ी की तरफ देखते हैं, बोलते हैं कितना टाइम हो गया है. दैट मीन्स हम उसमें से टाइम देखते हैं. वी सी द टाइम इन अ क्लॉक. सो नाउ वी विल रीड टाइम. वी विल रीड द टाइम. अब हम समय पढ़ना सीखेंगे. हाउ? बाय सीइंग द क्लॉक. सो हाउ क्लॉक्स लुक लाइक? Clocks looks like this. Okay, it has 3 hands. 3 हाथ. कौन कौन से? So the hour hand is very small. Okay, it is a small hand. And this second hand is very thin. Okay, very thin and long. So that is all about the hands. Now we will see how we understand the time. The clock has number 1 to 10. We can see here the clock has numbers 1 to 12. 1 to 12 numbers होते हैं हमारी clock में. Okay. The clock also has 2 hands. Clock के पास 2 hands भी होते हैं. Clocks के पास 2 hands भी होते हैं. So one is long and the other is short one. The short hand is the hour hand. Okay, and the long hand is the minute hand. जो छोटा होता है वो हमारी घंटी की सुई होती है, एंड जो लंबी होती है वो हमारी मिनट की सुई होती है. टुगेदर दे टेल अस द टाइम. जब ये एक साथ होते हैं ये हमें टाइम बताते हैं. ये जब हमारी क्लॉक में हमें शो होते हैं तभी हमें टाइम बताते हैं. फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. वी कैन सी हियर दिस hour. This hour hand is on the 4. and the minute hand is on the 12. Our hand at 4, minute hand at 12. That means it is 4 o'clock. Okay? When our hand is any number, time is at the time is that particular number, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And we have to also remember that to make a proper hour, we have to understand that this minute hand should be at the 12. Okay? As we can see here, the minute hand is at the 12. This clock is showing 3 o'clock. Similarly, this clock is showing 9 o'clock. Okay? Write the time shown by the clock. Simply see the hour hand and write the time. It is 10 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. And you have to find out which time this clock is showing. Now, draw the color hand to match the time. 6 o'clock. To make this clock showing 6 o'clock, we have to make a hour hand. Okay? घंटे की सुई बनानी पड़ेगी at the 6, at the number of 6. So, I am making it. Okay? Now, this is showing 10 o'clock. But to show 10 o'clock, what we have to do, we have to make a hour hand at the 10. Now 11 o'clock. So make a hour hand at 11. Now we have days in a week. जब हम छोटे थे हमें डेज याद करवाई थी ना, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे. सो अब हम उन्हें सीखेंगे और अच्छे से. There are 7 days in a week. एक वीक के अंदर 7 days होते हैं. Okay, 7 days. Look at the following examples. So here are some examples, but we have to remember that Sunday, then Monday. So the first day is Monday always. Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, and the last day is Sunday. That is also a holiday. All people like Sunday. Okay, so we can see your first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and seventh day. This is a pie chart of week. So Monday comes before Tuesday. You have to see the examples. Monday comes before the Tuesday. Before means पहले. So Monday जो है वो Tuesday से पहले आता है. See, Monday Tuesday से पहले आता है. Yes, it's right. Friday comes after Thursday. जो Friday है वो Thursday के बाद में आता है. Yes, it's right. Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. So जो Saturday है वो Friday और Sunday के बीच में आता है. Okay? A week starts from Monday और जो week है वो start करता है Monday से. So filling the blanks. The first is dash is the third day of the week. So Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So Wednesday is the third day in a week of a week. Now second filling the blank says write the day between 2 days like Wednesday then Friday. So the day which comes after Wednesday and comes before Friday is Thursday. Okay? So in a similar manner, the rest of the filling the blanks you have to do by yourself. Now we have month in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Year that means साल. ठीक है, एक वर्ष. So एक वर्ष में 12 माह होते हैं, 12 महीने होते हैं. What are these? January, that is first month. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? So these are all 12 months of our year. Okay? So this is a chart of year. Here is a poem also. Sing along. January, February, March. The cold has just passed. April, May, June. Let the heat go away soon. July, August, September. We have rainy weather. October, November, December, these are the months to remember. So, this is the poem based on our months. Okay, so the first month of a year, January, the 12th month of a year is December. That means पहला महीना जनवरी का होता है and the last month is always of December. Okay, fill in the blanks. Dash comes after January. जनवरी के बाद आता है, that is February. Okay, dash comes after March. March के बाद आता है, that is April. Okay, in a similar manner, you have to do the rest by yourself. Now, name the month in which you celebrate New Year. We celebrate New Year in the month of January, the first month. Okay, so we will write here January. Similarly, Teachers' Day, Independence Day, 25th December. So, you have to write the answer of these. Fill in the blanks by yourself. Okay, you have to find out these days. Now we have fun activity. Tick the correct answer. The sun is very hot at. Very hot. That means at the day. Okay? At the noon. Now, how many days makes one week? कितने सारे दिन मिलकर एक वीक बनाता है? That is 7 days. So we will take 7. Similarly, these you have to do by yourself. Now question number 2. Write 1, 2, 3, 4 in the circles to show the sequence of events. So, firstly is Mama bought a apple to her. Now first one is this. Now second one is she got the apple. Now third one is she ate the apple. And the fourth one is she threw the apple. Ate an apple. Okay. Now math lab activity. You have to do this math lab activity in your maths lab with your teacher. So by here we have completed our chapter. If you found any query in this chapter, please go once again to this video to make it more clear. I hope each and every concept are totally clear to you. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye bye.